こんにちは、ジャパニーズアモのミサです。Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use the word 前. So basically you have to say before in Japanese. So this 前 can be used like before, ago, and front as well. So if you put a noun in front of 前, you have to say noun の前. Okay? So for example, if you want to say in front of something, you say something の前. And depending on the verb, you'd say noun の前に or noun の前で. For example, stand in front of Misa, you'd say ミサの前に立って。ミサの前に立って。So we say place に立つ when we want to say to stand at place. So ミサの前に立って stand in front of Misa. Or there is a good bakery in front of the school. You can say 学校の前に美味しいパン屋さんがある。学校の前に美味しいパン屋さんがある。And again, we use the に particle with the verb ある, so we say 前にある. Remember, we use the に particle when the verb is about being somewhere. So for example, verbs like to be, to exist, like いる、ある, to stand, to sit, 立つ、座る, and to live, 住む, or to stay, 止まる, we usually use the に particle. And with other verbs, so with most verbs, we use the で particle. So for example, to speak in front of everyone. To speak, we consider that as an action rather than being somewhere. So we say で place で話す. So I could say みんなの前で話す to speak in front of everyone. みんな everyone, so that's a noun, so we add the の particle, right? みんなの前で話す. But when you want to say an hour ago, a year ago, we wouldn't put the の particle in front of 前. So for example, an hour ago, you'd say 1時間前. 1時間前. So we don't say 1時間の前, okay? 1時間前. So for example, 1時間前帰りました. I went home an hour ago. 1時間前帰りました. So for example, I went to Japan 2 years ago. You'd say 2年前日本に行きました. Formally end. 2年前日本に行った. You could say 1年前に日本に行った. So we usually omit this に particle when we use 前 as like ago, like 30分前, 30 minutes ago. 30分前、たけしくんを見た. I saw たけし30 minutes ago. But you have to add the に particle if you mean like 30 minutes before something. For example, please arrive 10 minutes before the appointment. You say 予約時間の10分前にお越しください。予約時間の10分前にお越しください。So 予約時間 is like the time that you scheduled. So scheduled time. 予約時間の again, the の particle because 予約時間 that's a noun. 予約時間の10分前 10 minutes before that appointment time 前にお越しください。お越しください is a very formal, polite way to say please come. So instead of 来てください they say お越しください to mean please come to, or that customer came to our store 1 minute before closing. You could say あのお客さんは閉店の1分前に来た。あのお客さんは閉店の1分前に店に来た。So 閉店 is closing the store. 閉店の1分前に so 1 minute before closing the store. So you see, when you say 1 minute ago, we say 1分前. So like he came to the store 1 minute ago, we would usually say 1分前来た. So we tend to omit the ni particle, but when we want to say 1 minute before something, we would say something no time 前に. Okay? Yeah, so now no 前 can be used like in front of something or before something, right? For example, 試験の前にトイレに行っておく. I will go to the bathroom before the exam. 試験の前にトイレに行っておく. 仕事の前に運動する. I exercise before work. Now let's see how we can put the verb in front of 前. So when you want to say before I do something, you have to use the ni particle. So we say verb in the present tense, okay? You can't use the past tense. Even if you put the past tense in English before it became, we use the present tense. And then my ni. So this is basically the rule. When you want to say in front of, you can use either the ni particle or the de particle, right? Depending on the verb. But when we are talking more about the time, like before doing something, before something, we always use the ni particle. So if you say 前で, you'd mean in front of. So instead of 仕事の前に, you can also say 仕事に行く前に, right? Before going to work. So 仕事に行く前に運動する. Or 仕事に行く前に運動します. Remember, in front of 前に you can't put the must form either. So you can't say 仕事に行きます前に even if you're making the formal sentence. So you only change the last verb to change the formality. So 仕事に行く前に this 行く stays the same. 行く前に運動します. You only make the difference at the end. します. And if you're speaking informally, you don't have to care, right? Everything is informal. 仕事に行く前に運動する. For example, you should stretch before swimming. You want to say before swimming. Swimming would be the verb. To swim, we say 泳ぐ, right? So 泳ぐ前に before swimming, you should stretch. ストレッチする is to stretch. ストレッチする. So ストレッチした方がいいですよ. Remember the past tense. た方がいいですよ means you should. 泳ぐ前にストレッチした方がいいですよ. I read reviews before buying, like buying things. Before buying, 買う前に and read reviews, we would say. 口コミを読む. 買う前に口コミを読む. Informally and formally. 買う前に口コミを読みます. Remember, you can't say 買います前に. You have to say 買う前に口コミを読みます. My mom always told me to dry my hair right after taking a shower or a bath because she said I would catch a cold. So she used to say, before you catch a cold, dry your hair. So to catch a cold, we say 風邪をひく. 風邪をひく. So 風邪をひく前に you should dry your hair. 髪 is hair, right? 髪を乾かす to dry. 乾かす. So dry your hair. 髪を乾かして. Or more parenting speech, you can do 髪を乾かしなさい. This なさい is only used by parents or teachers. Like it's an imperative form, only used by teachers and parents. Like do something. Like 宿題しなさい. Do your homework. So 風邪をひく前に髪を乾かしなさい. And less parenting tone, you can say 髪を乾かして And if your mom is really nice or sweet, she might say 髪を乾かそうね Like let's dry hair, okay? Like that's a very sweet way to say dry your hair 髪を乾かそうね So you can tell what kind of mom you have, whether she uses nasai or yo ne, like shall we, let's do something. So a typical strict Asian mom would say 宿題しなさい do your homework. But a sweet Asian mom, if that even exists, I'm kidding, she would say 宿題しようね let's do homework, okay? 宿題しようね What about I want to travel around the world before turning 30? So before turning 30, how do you say 30 years old? 30歳 30歳 And to turn 30, we say to become 30. 30歳になる Okay? And before turning 30, we say 30歳になる前に30歳になる前に I want to travel around the world. Around the world, 世界中。世界中を旅行する to travel around the world. 世界中を旅行したい。30歳になる前に世界中を旅行したい。And you can also use 前に without putting anything in front of it, right? For example, you can say 前に書いた。That means I wrote it before, or I drew it before. So on Twitter, you'd often see posts like 前に書いた絵 a picture that I drew before. 前に書いた絵 or picture, as in a photograph that I took before. You'd say 前に撮った写真前に撮った写真 You see the accent changes.When you say blah blah 前に like when you put something in front of 前に you say 行く前に前に but without anything in front you say 前に前に You hear the difference? Something 前に and 前に Yeah, Japanese is hard That's the restaurant that I talked about before. That's the restaurant I told you about before. 前に話したレストラン。前に話したレストラン。Say, あそこ前に話したレストラン。Say, ここが前に話したレストランだよ。ここが前に話したレストランだよ。By the way, when you want to say I've done something before, we usually use the grammar たことがある Like when you want to say I've been to Japan, when talking about the experience you've had in the past, you say 日本に行ったことがある or 日本に行ったことがあります Right? When using this たことがある, it already means I've done something before.So you don't really have to add the word 前に So when you want to say I've never done something before, like I've never ridden a bike before, you'd say バイクに乗ったことない バイクに乗ったことがありません You wouldn't add the word 前 in this situation. So when you want to say I've never done something before, you wouldn't say 前 Not really.You'd just say たことがない informally and たことがありません You could add the word 一回も which means not even once. So you could say 一回も乗ったことない I've never ridden even once. And also if you want to say beforehand, we'd use a different word 先に So if you want to say ladies first,You can say お先にどうぞお先にどうぞ We don't actually say ladies first. We just say please go ahead お先にどうぞ If you want to say wash your hands beforehand, like wash your hands before, you say 先に手を洗って 先に手を洗って。So this 先に is used like before me as well. So you can start first, like you can start before me. You'd say 先に始めていいよ。先に始めてもいいよ。先に始めてもいいよ。You'd often probably hear 先に食べ始めて。先に食べ始めて。And that means start eating without me. Like start eating before I start eating with you. You'd also often hear お先に when someone is leaving. That's another way to say bye. Like またね。お先に is used when leaving before someone else. So a lot of people say that instead of さよなら or またね at work, like when leaving before someone, like you say お先に. That's a very, very common phrase. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Using mae is not too difficult. Just remember that we use mae ni when talking about before something like time-wise, right? Mae ni. And if you say mae de, that usually means in front of, like doing something in front of somewhere. Okay? So, このタブを閉じる前に高評価ボタンを押してください。Before closing this tab, please hit the like button. このタブを閉じる前に高評価ボタンを押してください。Alright, thank you so much. ありがとうございます。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。